On today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Harbor Freight's Warrior Compact Cordless Screwdriver Set. That's a mouthful. But the item number on this is 56757. Not sure if you guys can see that. There we go. And like I said, 19 piece. You get your 18 piece bits and your cordless assembly there for a total of 19 pieces. So quick change chuck. I really like this chuck because it holds everything in there. It's not like other chucks where you can just move around the unit and it just slides out or just drops out. Some of them have like a really weak magnetic hold on there. This one's more like a spring tension that holds the actual bit in there. And the bits are 5/32. On these ones, they are chrome vanadium, so you can use other bits from other different assortments just as long as they're 5/32. Also, you get a super bright LED light that's actually powered by a switch and not the actual forward and reverse switches on the unit itself. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate that in a little bit. You get your forward and reverse that totes up to 100 RPM. I'm not sure about that, but I mean, it's got a nice spin to it. This thing has 2 AAA batteries that are included with the unit, so you do have to take off the plastic tab when you buy this. It's not going to just run right out of the box. Let's go ahead and look at the bits that are included with this kit here. So that's this section here, and you can pause the video if you want to take a look at that. So really quick, you get your Phillips, which are 0000 and a number 2. You get your flats, which are 1, 2, and 3. Your star or Torx, which is 5, 6, and 8. Pentagram, which is 0.8, 1.2, and 1.5. A square, which is labeled as S0. Triangle bit, which is number 3. Your hex, which come in 2.5 and number 3. A Y triangle bit, a 2.5. And finally, your U shape, which is a number 3. And the batteries. So yep, that's everything that's in there. So let me talk a little bit about the case. I've got a polycarbonate front case there. Everything's pretty tough. You can shake this thing around. You can knock it around a bit. And everything is held in place nice and tight. I really like the inside case where everything is, has a snug fit. So even if you have this, you throw it around and it's, in a toolbox moving around. You don't have to worry about all the bits dropping to the bottom like with most units or cheaper cordless sets, I should say. But let's go ahead and open this. And the actual case here can come, or the inside case can pop out of the outer case. So as you can see there, and I just want to demonstrate that hold on all these bits in the screwdriver set. So you hit that pretty hard. Yeah, the bits aren't going anywhere. So it's got a really nice tight fit, just like how the chuck holds the bits. Also, let's go ahead and go into that switch I was talking about on this LED light. So it's pretty bright, as you can see there. Just go ahead and show you guys really quick here. And that's really, really bright. So it comes in handy when you lose a screw and you gotta find it. Well, you got the light for it. So pretty cool little screwdriver there. So you got your forward and reverse buttons. I'm not sure. I mean, in person, this thing is pretty quiet, but I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on. You should hear it because this catches everything, including my breathing. So let's go ahead and go into the forward mode here. And then your reverse. This thing has a really grippy feel to it. It's got a nice handle. It fits well in the hands. It has a really cool little bottom part where you can just like quickly change out the battery. So all it takes is a simple twist there and everything just drops out. So there's your 2 AAA batteries. Very simple. This thing only goes in one way. So you push it in, give it a twist, and everything's locked into place. I think for $12.99, I got a really good deal on this thing. And yeah, that's the Warrior Compact Cordless Screwdriver Set. I want to go ahead and thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys on the next one.